Hey guys, so this is our last puppet for the day. I'm so happy, I'm so tired. At the same time, so this one, it's also a learning puppet because it has like some letters. It has A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, you know. Let's click. So like basically all these puppets have like imprints on the bubbles. So this one has like pineapple imprints. This one has cupcake ones. This one doesn't have any. So I think that's it for our fidget. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up, like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye!